How to use LG TV without remote. So let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile device. The iOS version of LG TV Plus app comes with a few differences in the installation steps. Now, once inside the App Store, search the app from the App Store. Tap on the search address bar and search for the TV Plus for LG TV Remote. Simply type down the whole sentence, and after you are in your search bar, scroll down and look for the authenticated app. Make sure you do not download any fake version of TV Plus for LG Remote. Scroll down and simply tap on it. Now there, install the app and open it on your iOS device. Now simply tap on the open option available there to launch the app. After you do so, simply continue. You can also get the premium version of this app, but if you don't want the premium version and just want to use the free version of this app, then you don't need to tap on the premium version. Now, once you're in there, make sure to open the settings and let the remote have the local area network so that it can choose your TV. Make sure that your TV needs to be turned on for this, so use its physical buttons if you don't have access to a remote control. Make sure to toggle on the local network. Also, make sure to grant permission for the app to access your music, media, and video library. Now, all you have to do is choose your TV and start the function using this mobile remote. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.